guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Bianca Dion, and we're back with a sneaker video, period. So today I am doing the first video of my sneaker series called Sneakerology 101. Okay, and with Sneakerology 101, I'm basically gonna be talking about everything sneaker related, not only just my sneakers. I'm gonna be talking about sneaker releases. I'm gonna be talking about sneakers that they could have kept in the factory, all that. All right, what we gonna start out with today, I am talking about the top 3 ones, Air Jordan ones that are in my collection, and I'm also going to be showing y'all just some staple ones that I feel that girls need to have, because no offense to the men that's gonna watch this video, but I personally believe that women rock Air Jordan 1s better, hands down, period. I'm sorry, I don't care how you feel about it. I don't. We know how to style them better. Y'all do that same combo, the white t-shirt, black jeans, and the ones. Girls know how to switch it up, make it cute, you know? Like I said, I'm gonna be showing y'all my top 3 ones that are in my collection. A couple of them are hard to get. One of them probably ain't gonna find in your size, but for my women out there, I'm definitely going to let you guys know the deal when it comes to the ones. The first one that I'm going to talk about is, this is the UNC to Chicago ones. These are a high, I believe. These only came out in women's, but for my men that are watching this video, these came out in women's in extended sizes. So one thing about extended sizes, for my men that don't know, when you hear extended sizes, that means that they basically go up to like a women's 14, which is the equivalent to a men's 12 and a half. So that's something that you should look out for my guys that be like, oh, this colorway is fire, but it's only in women. Make sure you know how to convert your size. It's a 1.5 size down when you are shopping in women. These are one of my favorite ones in my collection, just because I've always wanted the Chicago ones, but blue is my favorite color. So put 2 and 2 together, you get UNC to Chicago. It has that old school Air Jordan logo. It doesn't have a Jordan logo on the back because these are a OG retro. When you have a Jordan in the back, it's just a 1, but it's not really a retro. And basically they have that red toe in the front, kind of give you the idea of a red toe, but it also gives you that feel of the Chicagos, while in the back you get the feel of the UNCs. Also, a thing that you should know about ones, any type of ones that got a red bottom, I'm gonna get them. Like I don't know what it is. I have about 4 pairs of ones that got a red bottom. I don't know, it just make it look good. Okay, what you can see at the bottom is you got that kind of this is a familiar pattern for a lot of people that wear shoes. Not only is this the pattern that comes on the ones, but this is also the same type of pattern that is at the bottom of Air Force Ones as well. So as you can see, there is black stitching, and I just really love these shoes so much. These shoes are so fire, okay? So fire. For my men that wear at least a 12 and a half or below, I still say try to get your hands on these, because these are one of the most fire ones to come out in 2019. I don't care what nobody say. Turbo greens, they all right. These right here, straight heat. All right, next we're gonna go into my favorite ones of all time. What? These are the bread toe ones, okay? So the bread toes, the reason why they are called bread toes is because the toe is black and red, hence bread, okay? I do have a little yellowing on my sole, but I'm going to get some Reshoevn-Ator so I can restore a lot of my shoes. Let me know in the comment section below if you want to see that Reshoevn-Ator tutorial and just a review over it. The bread toe ones is a staple that I really believe that women should have. Either the bread toe ones, or I'll put a picture right here, the black toe ones. Like I said, they are a staple. They're black, white, and red, which I feel is very easy to style. You can wear all black, all white, you can throw in some red, you can do a graphic tee. Like, you can style these very easily just because of the colors are so easy. I have them with black laces. I've worn them with the white laces before, and I love them just as much with the white laces. but I like them a little better with the black. Red toe ones is definitely a staple that you should have for all my ladies out there. Now what I can tell you is that these are a hot item, so depending on if you want to pay a resale price, you're probably not gonna find these for less than $400. I'm just saying, I wear a size 7 in women and I wear a 5.5 in boys. Probably not gonna find these for under $400. I seen them on, I believe, StockX, and they were going for like $430 in my size. So I can just imagine for men. Yeah, I love these shoes so much. These are my favorite pair of ones that I have in my collection. Now, last but not least, I always try to make sure that I'm wearing a lot of different shoes. The first time I seen these shoes was on my best friend, and I saw them and I was like, girl, where'd you get them shoes? I gotta get my hands on them. So these are the Barely Volt High Air Jordan 1s. So as you can see, these do have the Air Jordan on the tongue, so they're not that regular retro. But y'all, when I say these look so good on the feet, like these come in women. So if you can find these are the ones that I said you probably ain't gonna be able to find these. Is because when I looked them up, I went to the one website that did have them, and the only size they had was my size, which was a 7, so I got lucky. But these are so cute. I want to try like some different laces in this, like maybe like a blue or a white, something to contrast with this neon color. So this has like a little like glitter type of speckles in it, and the check is kind of like a see-through type of check. I don't know how to explain it that well. Not only are these like got like glitter speckles and stuff like that, they are 3M. 3M is always nice. 3M means reflective. For my people that don't know, I always say 3M. Sometimes I kind of like go back and forth by saying 3M and reflective, but they are reflective and they are so cute. So I know this was a very quick video, but I just wanted to get the series started. So Sneakerology 101 is something that I'm going to try to do. I want to give a day just for Sneakerology so I can be able to upload about sneakers once a week. Make sure you're following me on all of my social media. That is my Instagram, Twitter, and my Snapchat. I'm probably going to do an Instagram poll the day that this video drops. So make sure you are following me so you'll be able to see everything about that. And also, one thing that I want to do with the Sneakerology series is also figure out different ways to dress my shoes and dress my shoes differently. I'm that type of girl, like when it comes to my sneakers, depending on how I feel like I dress them the same. So I'm gonna step out my comfort zone a little bit, look at different ideas on Pinterest and stuff like that, and also look at different ideas on Instagram and show y'all how y'all can style y'all shoes as well. That is the end of the video. Comment down below which one was your favorite pair. I know my favorite pair, baby, my red toe ones. Like, these will forever be my favorite pair of Jordans, period. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment down below, and your comment has to be which shoe you thought was the best. Was it the UNC? Was it the red toes? Or was it the Barely Volt? Okay, let your girl know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. And that is the end of the video. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Mwah.